Welcome to our overview of the functionality available on the PartsBase Government Data platform. We are excited to introduce several features designed to streamline your workflow and improve efficiency. One of the key features is the set-aside filters. To access the set-aside feature, select Government Data from the top tab, navigate to Contract Bidding, then choose Contract Opportunities and select Current Search. The current search will display solicitations that match the rules you have created in Contract Bidding Rule Summary. Important to note, you will need to enable the Set Aside filter from the Settings gear button. The Set Aside feature available in the Contract Bidding menu is designed to help users filter and identify contract opportunities that are reserved for specific groups or purposes. These set-asides are designated by the government to encourage participation from small businesses, veteran-owned businesses, women-owned businesses, and other specialized groups. By utilizing the set-aside filter, users can streamline their search to find opportunities more likely to be awarded to their specific business category, enhancing their chances of securing government contracts. The set-aside filter allows you to narrow down bids by categories such as combined, veteran-owned, small business, women-owned, and more. You can layer additional filters on top of your set-asides to refine your search further. To save your filters for future use, select the Options drop-down menu. This feature allows you to automatically apply the saved filters whenever you need them. To view more details about a solicitation, select the solicitation number. You can review all relevant solicitation information, including the set-asides. The report will indicate which rule from your rule summary the solicitation matches. This feature is valuable because it helps you efficiently identify and target contract opportunities tailored to your business category. Thank you for using our platform. We look forward to supporting your success.